Jan got one. Come on, Jan.
Jan, don't. Yeah. Keep it going. Keep it tight.
Come on, Jan.
Chan on a fish.
Bigger?
It's like a 2-3. Dang, it's a big mouth.
Nice.
Elisha, over here, Elisha. Let's. All right, boys. Smile for the camera. Let's go. We got tournaments against those three, the young bucks versus the OGs. Winner gets Big Macs, boys. I want a large fries and a large drink also. Ooh, that was crazy.
Oh.
That's a pike.
Oh, there goes 30 bucks. Dang! $30.
He just lost $30 and now. Oh, dang, dude! That thing came back. Oh, double, boys! Beautiful. All right, weigh the one on the right side. Let's go. Let's weigh that guy.
Let's show the camera something else secret. They gotta see this. Look what we got on here. Boom, baby.
511. That's our secret number right now. Yeah, check out that first one. 0.81 or something. Oh yeah, let's go.
Bigger?
Nope. Just another.
Right now is 125.
Huh?
Our smallest is a 125.
125. Just need a 2-pounder. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, swing him in, boy! T. Go.
Look at that choke. Damn.
All right, let's take out that 2-pounder. Oh, that 1-pounder. Was that jig? Chatterbait still? All right. 3.5.
348.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a big fight. Yeah, it's a real big fight. What, that?
No.
Or is it musky?
Pike. Oh no! Oh no! Don't break. Okay. Okay. You do. Damn, dude. Oh, third time's a charm. Oh my gosh, dude. He really choked that thing.
Oh, watch the jaw. Careful on the jaw. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. All right, I need me a big fish.
436, 4-pounder.
Take out that 2-pounder.
No, we got one that's 6.
Oh, we didn't take out that one yet?
Ooh, that's gonna really jump our score down.
cold.
It is time to go home. We are all done. It's way too cold right now. We're sitting in the car. We're warming up. But let's check what those other guys.
Cold.
How many pounds you guys get? You probably caught like what? Well, 24 pounders.
That's only in the back, dude. Hey, all those that we have left, threw back in. Oh my god.
All right. Till next time. It's way too cold. We'll see you guys.
McDonald's.